I'd like to add text to this problem. In order to do so, I need to click the Annotations button at the bottom left of the screen. Once this is done, you can see that the drawing function is highlighted. I need to click on the Text function. This will bring up a text box that I can fill. I click on the text box and the keyboard appears. I simply type the text that I would like to include into the text box. Once I'm happy with what I've written, I can minimize by clicking the bottom right button or clicking on the screen itself. You'll see the pencil and plus icon under Add Text. Once I drag that onto the screen, you'll see the text that I've written is available to me. I position it where I want, and I've added text to my problem. I simply click off and I'm done.